Aloha and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal, day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. This is just my trade journal. So we've got big volatility. So the idea, just like the picture, is just get your Zen on. I'm talking to myself, mental, emotional, psych balance, because we've got high volatility. So this is a few minutes ago on the 15-minute chart, and I'll go through the charts, but this new week open gap, when we start a new week, this has been working for me. So we'll go through the charts, large time frame to frame the trade action, and we'll go all the way down to the 15-minute and the Renko and break down what I'm looking for on the levels. Let's get right to it. 24-hour chart, we've got a relative low here from Friday and Monday Globex, and 55 handles already from Friday's 85 handle, 84.6 to be exact. So we are definitely in a very volatile Monday so far. New week open gap here, 1782.3 by 1780.6. So I do expect price to come back and revisit this, but whether it gets back to this fair value gap above, I don't know if it's got the rocket fuel to do that. Lower Bollinger Band, not that I'm doing Bollinger Bands, but I always like to know how many days can we be below it. This is the third day that we basically had a candle below it, and this comes in at 1786. So just noting that definitely could come back and tag that. But right now we're still in a downtrend. Let's go down to the 60-minute chart, see what that looks like. So this fair value gap on the 60 I'm focused on because the new week open gap is in it. It's in the lower half. And where we're at right here is you can see this green bar. You can see here these relative lows. As far as the gap middle and the high, this fair value gap high is 1797 and the low is 1775.7. So I think this is absolutely doable, but the question is, what if it goes back into it and then just continues down? So I am not bullish until I see some proof, and the high would be to take out this high here, and that comes in about 1810, 1898. Let's just take this one step at a time. We haven't broken this relative low here from Friday, which is coming in at 53.6, 53.9. So I think we go back, new week open gap. That's my journal entry for the 60. Now we go to the 15. This is the 15-minute. So here's the new week open gap again. That's my target near term here to see if we can go. You can see we've got a volume weighted average price for Monday so far coming in at 86.2. So once we clear the new week open gap, that would be target number 2. And notice these fair value gaps left behind, so that, right now longs are totally been smoked. What I'm looking here is that these relative lows, the delta minus 512 versus Friday a minus 457. So that's some synchronicity here. Again, we're in an area where we're consolidating. We haven't really done anything. So I'm just going to sit tight, wait for 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. 8:30 to 9:30 will be one time zone, and then the 9:30 to 10:30 will be the second target for the time zone. That's about it. I'm going to go to the Renko next, and we'll do a wrap. The Renko, you can see here with this shaded area, this long rectangle vertical, we really got below that blue Keltner for after the Europe. So this came in and it stayed there, just hard sell off. Right now we're playing around with this red Keltner in the middle, and the upper is coming in at 73.7. So that looks like we're going to close there very quickly. The lower Keltner again is 56.3. That's the relative low zone of Friday and Monday so far. So that kind of wraps this for what we've got going on Monday Globex. I'm going to watch the 15-minute in this Renko. That is going to be my day trade. Aloha. Take care. Bye.